That 60 is going to get you guys 60% off with Clarity Charge, a big discount. Very, very, very big discount. So make sure you guys get with that. Um, Obviously, Legacy still 25% off a discount code Mamba. That is still going to be a very good price for a futures account. And then if you guys want to trade your own money, you guys know where to go. I trade with Liquid, so I'll post a link to everything I just mentioned down below. But right now, the big one is Dad 60. I said Father 60 yesterday. It's Dad 60. But let's get to it, man. We got US 30 here staring at us. We're gonna do some resistance here. We have some lows here. We actually have a nice little trend line, but it's all already breaking here. I don't mind this position here on this push. NASDAQ is kind of not doing the same thing here. We're kind of coming to the downside. We do have, like I said a second ago, we have PMI, so that's not going to be good for us long term. Try to find a trade we can get in and out of. Yesterday we hit a 1 to 4, so we're up pretty nice for the week. Don't want to give it all back. Okay. Now, this is one thing that I try to tell you guys. Like yesterday we hit a 1 to 4, right? So if we hit a 1 to 4 and today we take 2 losses, your account is what? Up or down? If yesterday we hit a 1 to 4 and today we take 2 losses, would you be up or down if you took only those trades? You'd be up. The answer is you'd be up because you hit a 1 to 4, which means 4 times 1 loss, and then took 2 losses, you would still be up by 2. So if that's not the math that you're getting when you trade, you're not trading right. Okay, remember that. Fucking nose is all stuffed up though because I sneezed 100 times. I hate this. I hate this. The only way you would be down is if you were uh over risking on this day more than you risked on the 1 to 4, which is very bad. And I hope you don't do that. I'm not sick though, guys. I'm not sick. It's my allergies, man. I have horrible allergies. I'll sit there and sneeze 100 times in a day. It's like, what the fuck? But like, probably within the next like hour or so, I'll be perfectly normal. All right, I'm gonna be looking at US 30 today primarily. I don't like how NASDAQ looks. It's all wimpy as fuck coming down here. So not much here. If I was to buy, it would be as it pushed back up through here. Okay, that was weird. Did I do something backwards? Yeah, I did. Oopsie. All right, we have another minute. I'm gonna risk probably a little less today, just slightly. Just because the PMI coming up and stuff. Plus, we had a huge day yesterday. We don't need to get on here and try to make a trillion bazillion dollars. Yesterday was just fine. Yes, sir. Yeah, I got you, Rogue. Put everything on this one. Someone said name of a good prop firm to do scalping, and someone said trading view. Is that not funny? Am I the only one that thinks that's hilarious for some reason? Because I've been doing this for so long. Did he just did he just edit it to legacy? Now I'm tripping. No, I'm not. I might be tripping right now. All right, here we go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Nasdaq? You doing something, Nasdaq? All right, nope. Na, 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 na. All right, we're selling off right here. Holy shit. Here we go. That was uh that was quite the move there. Selling off. That was fast. Target one. That was some fast paced shit, boy. Wow. Did not expect it to move like that. Stops at break even. Close that if you want. Wait for a repush. Just to be smart. If that's what you want to do. I like NASDAQ pushing down here as well. So it's not really much of a position, but it feels as if this might want to continue to push. But obviously, we don't want to play this one stupid. I do like that though. We'll see. I like the idea of the markets going down here. US 30, I just would wait on. I would just wait on this. I'd close if you were in and just wait. Um, for a better position personally. That's just what I would do. And that's what I am doing. So I want a solid position here. This might actually break back up to the upside anyways. So I would just, yeah, I'd let this one do its own thing for a little bit. I wouldn't risk a loss here. I won't call it a target one either. We'll just call it nothing. Nothing happened so far. If you got your target one, congrats. If you got out of even, then it is what it is. If you lose, then I'm definitely not calling it a loss. That's on you, buddy. I said get out of even like 5 minutes ago. So I'll call this nothing. I didn't make anything on it. I ended up closing right at even. Got in, got out, didn't make anything. So we'll wait. $6. Let's go. Up 85 bucks, minus 22 cents. Shit. 4,500. That was quick. If you made good money on that target one, congrats. That was fast. I didn't catch that, man. I wish I would have. But well, I caught it, but I got out right away because it was pushing back up. I was like, I don't feel like this is going to continue down. So I just said, I'll close it even. It's back in that zone now. I don't want to resell yet, though. Doesn't feel great. Doesn't feel like a position that wants to move. There's not a lot of volume. We'll see. The good news is it never hit stop loss. So if you're still holding, you're fine right now. Gavin's back, baby. Let's go. I don't know what happened to him, but he's back. I think I said something about him the other day, and then probably one of the moderators banned him or muted him. Come on, move. Let's get some movements, man. Well, what the fuck? I'm just glad yesterday was a 1 to 4. Get us at least a good start to the week. If we are going to slow down today, we have a nice start. I wonder if NASDAQ wants to push up. We'll see. Oh, there you go. All right. Told you guys we'd have to be fast today. I still feel like that. Um, because we got PMI in 10 minutes. So if we don't catch anything within these 10 minutes, it's just going to be done. I'm not going to trade during PMI. This is probably going to keep pushing here. I just don't know if the volume is going to allow it to push smoothly or not. It feels like it wants to keep pushing though. At least I think it wants to hit this target too. I really do. Well, there's usually okay. So the reason, I mean, this is pretty good volume, by the way. But this is gonna push down to target three. But the reason that sometimes you don't have a lot of volume before news events is just people are waiting. Businesses are waiting. Everyone's waiting before they start to either invest into Nasdaq and US 30 again, or just to trade in general. They just wait to see what happens. They're like being patient. That's typically what it is. It's not like there's no news, there's no volume. It's there's news coming up, so let's wait. It's more like that. So we had the right idea with cells. Could have just held it and been at a target too. Literally. It literally came up to like right there. Could have just held that target too. It's a mistake. That's a little mistake. That one sucks. We're not gonna be able to find another position, so damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. All right, we'll call it there. Nothing we can do here. I mean, it's already pushing. If you want to continue to sell off, you can try so. But yeah. I called the sell here, came down to a target one, came back up here, got out around even, and then just went back down. So I think it's just a missed opportunity. Could have just held, should have just held. What's one loss, man? Could have prevented missing out this, but tried to play it. I think I played it just a little too safe. That's my only I can say today. I think I just played it a little too safe. Should have got a little more aggressive with it. Um, but yeah, that's on me for just playing it too safe. That was a scared money don't make money type of situation. But we got news in the next 5 minutes or so. So we'll come back tomorrow. Yesterday was a target for. Today we broke even. It's not the end of the world. It's a pretty damn good 2 day start, but just got to play that a little more aggressive next time.